Hi friends, today I am going to show you that you can run Windows 10 on Apple MacBook Pro. Someone is challenging me to prove that I can run Windows 10 on Windows on MacBook Pro. So here is a proof. Yesterday night I was installed on this. Now you can see that it is MacBook Pro. Now I am going to turn it on. Now you can see now as you can see that it's Windows 10 64-bit, and as you can see I was installed all the drivers. There are no pending drivers. So if you face any problem in installing the Windows 10 on the MacBook Pro, then you may comment me, and you also may contact to me. Thank you. Just like it and share it.